Hello everyone. Life has its own plans. We are only to understand and participate. It is our learning, our experiences, and our observations that help us to deal with what life has to offer to us. Today we are in a novel situation with the coronavirus and COVID-19. But the situation has given us the opportunity to spend time with our near and dear ones. We at Nrityanjali are taking this as an opportunity to share with you our work of 32 years of research by our mentor and our founder, Dr. Guha. I'm Dr. Anonna Guha, Managing Director Nrityanjali Group and faculty member, and I'm here to share with you about our life skills. We are speaking to our young minds today, and I'm going to speak to you about our feelings. All of us human beings have feelings, have emotions. We feel joy, we feel sadness, we feel anger, and so many more feelings. When we are happy, when we are joyous, what do? We have a jumping expression. We express by doing a high five with our friends. When we are sad, how do we express it? Sometimes we sit quietly in a corner. Sometimes we cry or we shed a few tears. Similarly, when we feel angry, what do? Sometimes we cry when we are angry. Sometimes we start throwing things when we are angry. Sometimes we start hitting people when we are angry. Or sometimes we might just go completely quiet. Is it natural to feel all these feelings and emotions? Of course it is. But how do I express these feelings without harming anybody or without bothering anybody is something that we need to learn. So let's talk about one important feeling and emotion that we all go through, which is anger. What is anger and why does it happen? Anger is an emotion or a feeling that bubbles inside us. And why does it happen? It happens most often when we want something, when we expect something, but things don't happen the way we want them to. For example, if I have expected 75% in my exams and I get 50%, we may be very angry. We may also get angry if I have asked my mother to prepare my favorite food and she hasn't because it didn't go with what I expected. Is it normal to feel angry? Of course it's normal to feel angry. But the question is, how do I express it? Some people also feel angry when they're hungry. So when we are hungry, we are unable to control our feelings, unable to control our emotions. So what does one do to manage anger? If my anger is such that I'm throwing things, I'm hurting people, I'm hitting people, then we definitely need to do something. But when does one manage anger? Is it when one is angry during that time? No. Anger management will always happen after we have expressed anger, so that the next time when we are feeling angry, we are able to control and manage it better. When I was quite young, when I was about 11 years old, once I could not complete my maths paper. And I started trying to solve a sum or a problem which was taking a long time. And because of which, the rest of the questions I was not able to answer. When I came back home, I was extremely upset, extremely angry, and I started throwing my pillows and my mattresses out. I was so angry, and in that anger, I also cried. Later on, my mother told me, it's all right, but this is no way to express oneself. And till date, from that 11-year-old to this 43-year-old, I have never ever thrown the things around when I have been upset or angry. So it does happen once or twice, and it's all right. So after expressing this anger, I was able to manage it better so that the next time I'm not repeating it again. So there are certain ways of managing anger. One way is self-talk, when we talk to ourselves on our own and express our anger and express our feelings so that we are able to control it. There are several other methods, but I will share those with you in our longer capsule. So I hope we have got an idea about anger, how it is an essential part of our life, and at the same time, how we can actually manage it better. In our series of life skills, you will hear us speak on several other topics and in more detail. So do write to us about your thoughts, about your feelings, what you thought about this to Nrityanjali1963@nrityanjali.org.in. Please like, subscribe and share and be with us. Thank you.